Okay, look at document object model, or the short form is DOM. Okay, what is a DOM? It's a model that describes how all elements in HTML page are related to the document itself. Actually, our website is represented using a DOM. Okay, there is a hierarchy of the content inside the website has hierarchy. Okay, what we see HTML document like this, right? HTML head section, body section, and so on. But after we load the website, our browser will translate into document object model. How we can use a DOM? Okay, using the JavaScript, you can manipulate DOM ni to make our website dynamic. With a DOM, JavaScript can access and change the element of HTML document. So we can get the data from website tu. Kita boleh manipulate data within our web page. Okay. So in order to get the value, we can use document method dot properties. Use this object lah. Okay, document represent our website. For meanwhile, methods. Okay, there are several methods that we can use. Example, get element by ID. Okay, this one is an action that you can do to HTML element. This get element by ID allow you to access an element by finding it using its ID. So we can access element, specific element referred by its ID. So we need to provide an ID to the element. Maksud dia kita nak dapatkan content lah dekat website tu. Misalnya text ke, image ke. Macam mana kita nak get the value. Okay, another one is property. Property example inner HTML. By using get element by ID and inner HTML, we can use to changing the HTML content. So apa guna nak tukar-tukar content ni? As I mentioned earlier, we want to make our website dynamic. Okay, look at the example. Okay, for example, kita ada satu paragraf lah. Buat satu je. Paragraf ID. So, kita kena provide ID lah. Parawan. Okay, dia punya content dia. Hello there. Sekarang ni kita nak ubah tu. So, kita kena guna script. Language. Script. To get the value. So, kita kena guna variable. var. Element 1. How to get the value? Now we want to get this value. Hello there. Using DOM. So we can use document dot root cheat. Get element by B huruf besar. ID huruf cheat. ID huruf besar juga. By ID. So dalam ni kita kena provide the ID dia. Para1 dot inner HTML. Semicolon. So we can get the value. Value apa? Hello there lah. Assign to element 1. Okay, now we want to change this value. We want to write into other element. For example, kita nak tulis kepada the next paragraph. P, ID, para2. Okay, example para2 ni kita letak x saja. Now we want to write into para2 pula. So we can use this one jugalah. This one is act as parameter actually. So ni get element by ID. The ID is para2. What's the value? So value we want to use this value. Element 1. Okay. Look at the result. Okay, hello there. XX. Oh, tak berubah lagi. Macam mana nak suruh berubah? Dot inner. Oh, I kecil. Salah ni. Huruf I kecil. Inner HTML. You need to be careful lah with the spelling ni. You need to use correct spelling lah. As we can see, the first paragraph, that's the original value. Hello there. Then, this one is the second paragraph, right? So the second paragraph should be XXX, but we replace with this. Okay, we remove document.write element 1. Patutnya ada dua sajalah result dia. The first one, hello there. The second one, XXX. Inside the JavaScript, we get the value of the para1 assigned to element 1 variable. Then assign the value, element 1 value ni assign into para2. I mean this one lah. So what happen? Dia copy ni. Ambil sini, copy ke sini. Next. Okay, there are several method. Okay, even write. Write is also a method. Okay, you have learned before. Document.write. Okay, this one use align. Beside to get value, we use inner HTML, right? So there are several attribute that we can use, such as align and src. Nampak tak? For example, align, we can alter the alignment of the content. Ni. Example, the original one is right. So we can change using this one. Align, change to center. So dia akan jadi center. Another one, we can change the content. For example, the source of the image is cursor.png, but using src, we can change to sandwich.png. So the image will be changed to sandwich lah. Others, you also can changing HTML style using DOM. So banyak lagi lah using the style.css property ni. Boleh tukar dia punya style, dia boleh tukar style.color, style.font style and so on. Dia guna apa lagi ni? Dia guna create element. So dia boleh juga create new element. Besides, we change the content of this one, you also can create a new element using JavaScript. Ni dia guna, example guna create element ni, before you have only 2 element, HTML element, right? Yang ni saja, paragraph 1 and paragraph 2. P1, para 1, para 2. Bila dalam JavaScript ni, you create new element, then the result, you have 3 element. Okay, even you can remove. Ada juga DOM untuk remove element. Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi taala wabarakatuh dan bye bye.